Hi guys, welcome back. So today, this is my first video with a new phone, but with a new phone. And today, you know that it's Christmas, and one of my things I'm going to be showing you how to make it. So one of those things is a slime kit. Let's do this. So, you're going to take your bowl. You'll take your bowl. You have a bowl and a stick. Really. A bowl and a stick. Make sure it is a plastic bowl. And make sure you don't really have a spoon, but like a popsicle stick or something that's skinny and that can mix good. Let's carry on. So, I have two glues. Clear glue. Clear glue, and white glue. I'm going to use the white glue. You go over there. I'm going to pour it into my bowl. And then you can pour how much you want. Any amount you want. So I'm pouring some of this in here. So I am not doing a lot because I want to redo this. And I made slimes before these. Well, I'm going to put a little bit more. That's kind of... Now, let's add one of these. I have orange. I have yellow. Green. And pink. I am going to use the green. Open this green. Right there, get my paint stick.
Boy and girl.
So I'm gonna let's keep on falling. So I'm still mixing. And yes, this is Nickelodeon slime. You can find it anywhere, but the most thing you can find it at is Walmart. The big Walmart. If you want a lot of slime, make sure you get all over the sides. That's what I'm doing, cause I want a lot of slime. It's crazy slime. Okay, I think it's done. No, it is not done mixing. Nuts. It looks like it's formal, but it's not. Look, the slime cleaning the bowl. So I'm mixing and mixing. It's already becoming slime, and I haven't even put the activator in yet. Well, some activator get left in the bowl, so that's might be like sometimes. So, finish. Make sure you have a measuring cup, because you can't put too much activator. So I'm gonna pour 5 cc on a. What in the world? What is 5 cc? Ooh, I think that's too much activator. Pour my activator in. No, I put too much activator. Now I'm going to do it in with my hands. Yeah! I want to. Yeah. But let me do this real quick. I'm almost finished. So we're about to have our family dessert in a little bit. Really. I'll just close. Oh well. You did. Just poke it. I want you guys to see. So. Let me do this one here. If you're looking at this one, I made this one today. I made like all of these today. Yes, I did make all of these today. Let me show you my slime smoothies. Yeah. Slime smoothies. if you can't see, I think this is the white glitter one with the confetti. This is green and like a pink. I tried to mix them together because they like fell apart. Not a slime smoothie anymore. More. Okay, put this back. Yeah, I'm sorry the camera's not, it's not like too much light in here. Did you already fix your dessert? Oh. I want this close. Now, my other one. Green, sparkly, Lego slime, and then orange.
If I need to go back, we're gonna go back. If I gotta sit there and watch a rerun. No, I was with you and your ass went to sleep. So now I got to watch it again.
I said, I don't watch it.
Okay, but I didn't do that. That's not the case right now. The case is you went to sleep and now I have to watch it over since you have to watch it.
Daddy can watch it on your phone.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, what are you talking about?
Then Daddy, you fell asleep in the movie?
That shit was all up in your mouth.
Shut up.
I was too.
I am.
Yeah, go make us some ice cream cake then.
Bye and peace.